Hey guys, welcome back to another video from How to Webmaster. Today let's check out the free AI Twitter post generator, which this AI will write your Twitter post automatically. All you have to do is go to this page and then enter in what is your Twitter post about. And I know it's no longer called Twitter but X or whatever you want to call it. So just here enter in a quick topic. So here are some examples. I'll just paste in this example: how to webmaster, 50% off web hosting sale today, AI generate Twitter posts. And here you can see it generated this Twitter post along with some useful hashtags and a word count right here. And then you can copy it and paste to your Twitter or X. So you can generate again if you want to. And here it gives you a different style: 50% off sale today. Use the code at checkout with some hashtags right there with a lesser word count. So you can get multiple ideas, and you can also change the Twitter post tone, like professional, positive, humorous. Check it out, it's free. Thanks so much for viewing. I'll leave the link down below, and until next time, happy posting.